In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how to mirror your iPhone using what's called Apple Airplay on your Roku device. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to mirror your iPhone to your Roku. Roku recently updated their platform so that Apple Airplay is now built into their devices, making it really easy to mirror without using any kind of third-party apps or anything like that. So the first thing that you're going to do is make sure that your Roku is up to date. So grab your remote control and hit your home button if you're not on the home screen like I am right now. Then go down to where it says Settings. And then click over. And we're going to want to go down all the way to where it says System. And then go down to where it says System Update. You'll click on that and then you'll check now. If it's not up to the latest software, it will do that at this time. After it's all the way up to date, go ahead and click on your home button again. Take you to the home screen. And then we're going to go down to Settings. And then we're going to go down to this new category right here that says Apple Airplay and HomeKit. And then click on that. And then now over here on your sidebar, you'll see where it says Airplay on and off. You want to make sure that's on. On the require code, I have it just as first time only. So if you click on that, you'll see that it gives you the options for first time only, every time, or use password instead. So that's all based on preference. I'm going to keep mine on first time only. And then now that it's set to first time only and on, you're going to want to jump over to your iPhone. Now, you do want to make sure that your iPhone and your Roku are set up on both of the same Wi-Fi network. So they have to be on the same local Wi-Fi network. Okay, once you jump over here on your iPhone, you want to swipe down on the top right corner like that, and it brings up your menus icons here, and right here in the middle you'll see where it says screen mirroring. Go ahead and tap on that, and then as you can see I have two that pop up here, but on the very top one there it says Roku streaming stick, and you tap on that. It'll ask for a code, and then on my screen here you'll see where it says 4-digit code. I'm going to type that code into my iPhone. Okay, now that it's typed in, you'll see on my iPhone there's a check mark next to where it says Roku streaming stick. And then on my TV, you'll see where it's mirroring exactly what's on my iPhone. And then to stop mirroring, you just go down to where it says stop mirroring and then stop it that way. So. Okay, now here's the beauty. Once you are connected, I jumped over to the YouTube app here to play one of my YouTube videos. I have the phone tilted in vertical mode, and it's already playing in landscape mode on the screen. So it's not like I have to tilt my phone to landscape mode. It automatically detects it and puts it in landscape mode on the screen. And here's the other wonderful thing is the volume is coming out of the TV instead of the phone, because some of these third-party applications it would come out through the phone. Let me show you. Subscribe to my channel, and that's what I'm trying to get you to do right now. Hi, my name is Juan, and I make videos on a weekly basis on one of the things that I'm very passionate about, and that is tech. I hit pause on there, but as you can see, it works all with your phone onto your TV. I love Apple Airplay. Okay, well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Until then, take care.